Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Soul Therapy Wellness, and today we're going to go over a few things. I just got done doing some really quick, I call them infomercials, because I'm trying to explain really quickly what I am doing here and all the exciting things that we're doing here at Soul Therapy Wellness. Are really excited because we have so many new services. We have microdermabrasion, we have our Celluma, and we are going to show you all the different things that we're doing. So I'm going to start off with showing you some of the new products that we have with a line called ACURE, and they are, it's actually, their theme is called Welcome to Skin Wellness. I love it because they have organic ingredients. It's a very affordable line, and we're just enjoying experimenting with the products. It's a very affordable skincare line, and I like it because it actually uses organic ingredients, though it's not like our high end, like my ELK line, but it still is a very nice, effective line, and for those who are buying skincare on a budget. So let's start off with my fun treatments. I really have been enjoying these ones, and my favorite is for the face. Actually, this is a colloidal mask, and it's a sheet mask. It's super easy to use. You just put it on, leave it 20 minutes, take it off, throw the remnant in the garbage, and you're going to rub in whatever serum has been left behind. It is going to remove all of the wrinkles in your face. Like, seriously, I've used this and it works fantastic. Plus, it has niacinamide, one of the new favorites of probably most estheticians and even dermatologists out there. Niacinamide is very effective for nourishing the skin. It slows sebaceous glands. It helps acne. It helps aging. It is a multi-purpose, wonderful ingredient. The next are, these are eye treatments. They are so fun. They're kind of funny because they're quite dark, but they go underneath the eyes. If you follow me on my Instagram, it's fun. It's Soul Therapy Wellness again. And if you follow me on there, you'll see some pictures of me wearing these things. It's quite hilarious. But it is very effective. They have different themes. So this one depuffs. It's a charcoal lemonade. And then this one is a brightening. So this is really awesome for the under eye area where we get discoloration sometimes, and sometimes pigmentation problems. This is a super greens, they call it hydrogels. And the super greens are, now there is aloe in here, there's caffeine, there's ginseng, there's green tea, it's just packed like it has so many ingredients I can't even remember all of them. I just have to read the package because I know when I first started picking these out, I was like reading the ingredients and I'm like, oh, I like that ingredient. This one is really nice. It's got arnica in it. It's a soothing, and that's for people with sensitive eyes. Really, really effective for soothing and tightening the area around this area because it's very delicate here. Now they have this is the Radically Rejuvenating line, so all of the ones in this color. I'm carrying the cleanser and the whipped night cream, and then there's the Seriously Soothing line, and I love the smell of this blue tansy night oil. Like, it is, I don't know, blue tansy has always been a favorite essential oil of mine, and this one is just, I don't know. It just smells so wonderful, and it's relaxing. It makes you sleepy. It makes me sleepy, and it's normal to sensitive skin, they say, but I've used it on all skin types. The Seriously Soothing line also has a cleanser and a cloud cream, and they're all this pink and white theme to the packaging. So we're looking to carry some more of this line. It's very affordable, like I said, and it's also a great complement. So if you have higher end products, but you want to still keep in with your organic theme, this is a great line to try out. Next, I'm going to show you some of our fun gadgets. I actually got to move around to do this, so I am going to stop the clip and I'll show you our new machines. So here we are with our new Celluma device, which we are loving. I've been doing these treatments on myself now for 3 weeks, and I feel that it really has been improving my skin. It feels firmer, it is more even in tone. I just love how it feels actually after I do a treatment with this. And it is on the, it's on the wrinkles mode right now. You can see how bright it is with the red. We also have a mode, we're just going to show you real quick here. It's going to be the acne mode. And it's going to come up really blue. And the blue is actually very effective for killing acne bacteria. And it is very good for rejuvenation as well, because it has the red diodes as well on this mode, so it actually helps with healing the lesions that we get with acne. We can get actually scarring because we have deeper pustules and pimples and blemishes sometimes that cause scarring. This actually helps rejuvenate the skin as well as heal it and kill the bacteria at the same time. So awesome. And then the last mode is going to be our aches and pains mode, and super incredible actually. I've been helping people with pain management with this particular treatment because it's going to go past the dermis. It goes right into the subcutaneous layer of our body, into the fat and the muscle, and it is super bright. You can see how bright. So this is called near infrared. So near infrared is really effective because it is going to reduce the inflammation in the area, therefore reducing pain. These are available for purchase, but you have to ask me, as I am a retailer of this, or I can be a retailer, but I have to actually train you and teach you about this device before I sell it to anyone. This is the pro size, but we do have available the home size, and it's a fabulous treatment. As I said, I've been doing it already on my clients and myself, and I've been really seeing some incredible results with it because it is so beneficial and helps rejuvenation. This is all based on medical surveys and studies that they have actually done on people, and this particular device is a medical grade device. It's been approved by Health Canada and the FDA in the States to actually treat acne problems as well as fine lines and wrinkles. It actually has been proven by science that it rejuvenates our skin. And then the pain management hasn't been yet approved, but they are doing a lot of studies right now. They have a fantastic program in the States for soldiers that come back from areas such as Afghanistan, and they have serious injuries, and they have given all of these soldiers a Celluma device, and they are sure reaping the benefits because it helps with pain management. Living with daily pain, if you know anyone who's been living with daily pain, they can tell you it's mentally fatiguing, it's exhausting, and you just want to get on with your life. And the Celluma device has been giving us a lot of these soldiers and people around the world who have purchased the device so much benefit in reducing inflammation in the areas that they suffer, that they can get on with their life and actually do daily things that they never were able to do before they started receiving the Celluma treatment. So really exciting stuff. Then we are going to give you a shot or look at our new microdermabrasion machine. I am so excited about this thing. Like, I've been doing so many skincare treatments now with it, and it's fantastic because it does actually shows some really cool options that I've never done before. And I'm just gonna actually get it going so we can show you what it does. This device even has a touch screen, so my old machine, it didn't have any of this stuff. Like, this is a fancier unit for me. I'm so old school as an esthetician. I've been doing this over 27 years. I think I'm nearing 29 years now, because I graduated from my trade school in 1991. So anyways, super fun. I was so excited to say, well, I don't know much about diamond head. Like, I hadn't been trained in it. I was trained in the crystals and I didn't know anything else. But I will tell you, I've had so much fun with the diamond head choice, because we have all these different types of sizes of heads and they look like that. So for example, this is a larger one and they all come in different grits. Super exciting because they all have different grits, and we're going to, it's like, I shouldn't compare it to wood, but I will. It's like starting with a coarser one and then I work to a finer one. So on some people, and then some people it's the other way around. It really depends on the person's skin, but I customize it to every person that comes through my door. So it's about getting the results that you want. And also the fun thing about this is I really enjoy that they have the smaller head. So something like that can get around the crooks and the crannies of the eyes and around the nose so much better than my crystal version that I had. And it keeps your skin amazingly super smooth. But that's not the main benefit. The main benefit is that it's going to remove a lot of the corneum layers of your skin and it's going to rejuvenate. So I have an awesome program where you come every 2 weeks with the microdermabrasion and the Celluma together, and I married them because they were the best results that you can get. Like, this is a fantastic treatment because when you do both, you're going to super exfoliate and then you're going to heal and rejuvenate with the Celluma. So I'm really excited about doing these types of treatments. Then there's the crystal, and the crystals is still for me old school. So there's an applicator here, and basically it's sweeping across. So I can start with, let's say, our this mode here. So we're going to start about the vacuum is actually something that pulls the aluminum oxide crystals through, and it throws through this pen and we glide it across. Super simple. My other machine, I had to adjust it all the time. It was difficult, but I mean I did it. This one, it just glides across. It's so gentle. My other one was super gritty and it left a big film. This one, no, it is super clean. I am so excited about using this thing. I have less mess, and right now it does what cleans the pipe, it calls it. It's just cleaning out any of the crystals that are left in the tube. So this thing just about does everything but talk. It's really amazing. So I am so excited to do these things, and we have our Mother's Day specials up as well, so I hope you check those out on our website. It's www.soultherapy.com, and if you are wanting to know about any of these products, these services, please give us a call at 306-883-2946. And you can also send us an email if you like at soultherapywellness@gmail.com. But the best way to contact us is just give us a call. We will call you back, or check out our website and kind of do your research and then give us a call. We'll be happy to accommodate you and book a consultation for you to figure out what you want to do for your skin this spring. Alright, thanks so much for watching, everyone. Please take care, and we'll see you again in the next video. Ciao!